Hello, this is my dog, Shooter. Hello, Awesomeness 10134 fans out there. If I have any, will you please watch this video and please comment. We're going to test my dog and see how much smarty is. We're going to see how smart he is by throwing on him and see how long it takes. There's him again. Shoot. Okay. Was that fun? Okay. Test run 2. Let's see how it goes. Pretty smart dog. Test run 3. If you get this one, Shooter, you're a smart dog. Ready? Wait. It's kind of hard to do with only one hand. This is his longest test so far. Oh, he just got his nose out. Oh, there he is. Shooter. Shooter. Shoot. Shooter. What do you have to say?